Hey friends, Billy Tea Gardens today. We are back in the kitchen again, as usual. My last video didn't do too good. I don't guess my people like politics or maybe my thoughts or whatnot. So let's go back to the kitchen and let's try another recipe. Before we get started, I would like for you to go down, hit subscribe. Don't cost you nothing, like I told you many times. Helps me more than you know, so I can keep creating content for you guys. And like, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll know when my next video comes out. Anyways, what we got today, I am baking a chocolate chip cookie pie. Yep, I was going to make some of my no-bake chocolate cookies, oatmeal cookies, but I don't have any oatmeal. So I had chocolate chips. Didn't really want cookies, so this is one I've been working on. There's probably recipes for this out there, but I put together my own. So I've already put this together, but I'll tell you all, hold on just a second here. I'll tell you all what I've got going here. This is pretty simple. Okay, what we've got, you can use a regular pie shell or whatever you want to use. I am using a graham crust for this. I like graham crust awful well, so that's what I'm using. So anyways, what I've put together, and I've already put this together and put it in my shell, but I'll walk you through it. It's very simple. After I'd already put this together, then I decided to make this video, which I meant to anyways, but we just kind of went backwards on this one, okay? Run with me here on this one. Okay, so I put this together, but there's the final mix in my pie shell. And what we have got is we've got one pie shell. We've got 2 large eggs. This is simple. Take 2 large eggs, a half a cup of flour, a half a cup of white sugar, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, 3/4 cups of butter softened, a cup of chocolate chips. I do use mini chocolate chips, and you can also put a cup of pecans in this or whatever you want. Chocolate sauce, whatever. It's up to you, once we're done here. But anyways, take your flour, eggs, all that stuff, butter. I'll put the recipe at the end like I usually do. Put it all together. Put it in your pie shell. And what we're going to do, we're going to bake this for 45 minutes to an hour, or till a toothpick or knife or fork or whatever comes out clean. So I'm getting ready to put this in the oven. I've got my oven preheated, 325. Well, as my oven is hot, so we've done about 300 or so. And this is going to cook about an hour or till you put something in it and it comes out clean. So we're getting ready to put this in the oven. When we're done, I'll come back to you guys and let you know what our final product is. I'll be back. Okay, folks, I'm back. How did I tell you you can tell when something is done before? I'll show you what. This works every time. I haven't looked at it yet, but I could smell it just like I opened the oven. So let's open the oven and find out if I'm right. Yep. See? Works every time. I can take my knife or whatever, stick it in here. Comes out completely dry, clean. So, like I told you guys, try this recipe, see what you think. I made it once before and I love it. I got to looking, there are other recipes out there, but this is something I put together and it's awesome. Kind of got tired of making cookies. I had a pie crust I wanted to use, so I just kind of put this together. So, have you tried any of my other recipes? Any of my other content? What do you think? Draw me something in the comments. Try this recipe, this cookie recipe, chocolate chip cookie pie recipe. Drop me something in the comments. Let me know what you think. I'm interested to know what my people out there think about my content and what we're doing here. It would sure help to know where I'm going, what I'm doing. By my likes and stuff, it does look like my cooking videos go over the best, unless that's just how the algorithm disperses. I don't know. But anyways, try my recipes. Let me know what you think. I'm really interested to know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll know when my next video is coming out. What are we going to do next time? Talk, cook, fix, who knows? Let's see what we got going on. Anyways, I thank you guys. I thank you all so much for joining me again here. Look forward to doing this again. Until next time, to my next video. Love you guys. Thank y'all so much. See ya.